YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Kapitiwa LTD aka MCB kwa number 7 kasijangane just net lapho nje. So bafethu namhlanje siqhubeka le yashandisi ya last. Ubuyile umfethu uthi hayi akakhonanga ukukhuleka, akakhonanga ukulala. Wathini uyahlukumezeka ebusuku ngenxa yokuthi akakhonanga ukubhodla. Kusho wena nje amore kanjani?
Nah, ish. Bese stress avele obviously interview yabo.
Yeah.
Ish damn.
Yeah, isa stress na manje le. Okay. Njami cha. On our last podcast tanga. Besibuza umdladla la ukuthi out of 10 inhlakanipho uyirate ngakhe? Out of 10 ku creativity kuphela.
Ngirate 8.
8. Where's the other two my guy?
Ish. Tanga obviously ijuze bamba. Ngasho ukuthi igrand le nginamba ne creativity mara inabe eziningi bazithatha from inabeni zakudala then bazichinjina khona kancane
bayita leso spiceless wona inkinga
abona otherwise makabayisha.
That's why bancintsha lutho.
Yeah,
yo it's wow. Tango honest ngale answer yakho nje so ukuthi manje awufuna abantu bathi wara
Tang honest.
Hey yo cha.
Yeah, my boy.
Yeah my guy. Out of 10 nje ijuice fam uyirate ngakho ku creativity kuphela. Asikakayi kulona. Asikakayi ku what you call
what's that?
Yo, fuck, phela la ngilahlekela le gama. Yabona isilungu. What you call
Performance.
Music. Performance. Yo, ngifuna ukulikhumbula kuqala again before le out le. Cool. Choreograph.
Yeah.
Fuck. Choreograph. Yeah. Okay, ku creativity kuphela tanga out of 10. Inhlakanipho gospel singers uyirate ngakhe?
6.
6.
Yes.
6 my guy.
Where's the other 4?
Where's the other 4?
Shugutine, the other 4. It went to. There's something talk of on our last result, yabo.
Yeah. Njengoba nizoba
Creativity ne.
Okay, creativity.
Sesikhula ngabo 1 2 1.
Yeah.
1 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 5 3 2 1 1 2 3 5 6 5 3 2 1.
Nashakhona khona leyo nto. Awume kancane wena.
This 96 July ka
Yeah.
man. Phuma.
Shout out to fire.
Phuma awuhlephensebe bo.
Yeah, phuma kuhlephensebe.
Sifaka isihlephensebe.
Yeah.
1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 5 3 2 1 1 2 3 5 6 5 3 2 1
Fanaka. Ewe. So we rate a 4. So I mean you rate a 6.
Oh, you rate a 4 when?
Yo.
You say 6.
Where's the other?
Where's the other? Angaka-rate
Okay, mara asorate singakakubuzi uchahile now.
Okay, angirate.
Awuchahile mfana uchahile. Uchahile 4. Khona ukuthi esikolweni nje uchahile imark yakhe ethi 4 uchahile. Labaqale ngawo.
Yo, okay, chat, so personal man, yabo.
No, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, damn. So when the other 4, uthi abekho that creative kahle wena kwenhlakanipho gospel singers.
Yeah, they are creative, but not that creative. Yabo, I just
besides labo 1 2 1 obayenze so fire dog.
Reason being is that just be out of the box. You understand? Plan, just be out of the box and just be out there. Don't be here, be out there. Explore. Yeah, well, anything that they're not creative, they are not that creative. They can be outbounds than inbounds.
Okay, before ngibuza mina ke trap question, ngithi nina ngiyanibona ngathi inhlakanipho ngazi niyenzeni. The Saints Gospel Choir. Uplaza usibalabana. Uyirate ngakhe ku creativity kuphela awuthiyami.
Uplaza blind tanga.
Uplaza
ngamgaya i 9.5 yakhe.
9.5. Where's the other 0.5?
Inkinga yabo indlela acula ngayo like
Yo.
Angi
Okay,
igrand ne.
Let him cook.
Igrand ne. Mara. And when it comes to molding food, I'm feeling about too strong. Like
Yeah, into yabo vela ngithi.
yeah, ne.
Yeah.
Mara yinto mina ke ngayizwisisa. Ngabo.
Oh, wena uthanda into soft.
Yeah, obvious.
Oh, uthanda le way wena ucula ngakhona. Kahle kahle wena ubias lo mfana.
Okay, mna angisamile phela.
Yeah, wena Oh, okay.
Before siya lapha.
Yeah.
If wena ne ika 9.5 yakhe ikhoyo ikangaki? Shoot 10.
Obvious.
Ishilo tangothi got 10.
Oh.
Ishilo vele wathi it's a solid 10.
Okay.
Wena the Saints gospel kwayo kangaki nje? Creativity kuphela. Sikayo choreography.
Slightly 7.
Yo, le outil igenzeni ke?
I know. I mean, i-sense danga kuze phela i-sense danga. Don't forget in our previous podcast,
Yeah,
I mentioned ukuthi la umsopo.
Yeah, umsopo akasekho.
Yeah, I understand. Like I knew it is sense ngale outlaying.
Yeah. Okay, manje. Okay, sikhuluma ngesense yamanje ngisho manje.
Hayi man. Mfana mina ngikhaso le ayakudala mfana. Yo. Ayakudala jo. Yo.
Okay, yakudala lo isangaki.
Ayakudala mfana.
Okay, yakudala. Le outsile. Le outsile.
Seshawa awasiqolele mfana. Ay.
Noma waseshayo mas.
Yeah, ngisho like back there, ngisho like amakhuluma ukuthi
it's the new version.
Yeah, bro, it's the new version of the Saints dog. Kahle in a way.
Yeah, mara ngisho kuthiwa amakhwaya ekhula every now and then.
Yeah, mara ngisho.
So wena okay, isense yamanje unirisa ngaki?
Yamanje. Slightly 8.
Slightly.
Yeah, slightly 8.
So it's boma 7 point.
Slightly 8.
Slightly 8. Where's the other two?
The other two note is there, dog. I don't know actually, but then slightly 8.
Okay. But first, you say if you
I
give me,
would say among us slightly 8. Ne, there's a problem. No, and the Tangisho is about to have our own views.
Yeah.
Our own visions with how do we see things. So umuntu angati maybe 3 or 4. That's in yash. Umuntu angati yazi 9, 10 or yazi 11. So that's me.
That's you.
Yeah.
Uwera.
Don't do cyberbullying, dog.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey, athi leli silungu nama cyberbullying. Hey baba sekasi wena fuseka indaba yakho.
I
Sorry for your language.
Slow.
Alright, bafethu mase fika kimi ke. Hlakanipho gospel singers. Bafethu kunini bang pressurize abathi wena kanti why ungazibuzi lo mbuzo? Ngiyazibuza ke. Mina bafethu inhlakanipho gospel singers ngirate solid 7. Yabo.
Why? My time is 4.
Alright.
Oh, 83.
Hayi tanga mana zange ithi 4. Okay. Reason
No,
being tanga. Okay. Reason being tanga.
Uthe 4 qale no 83 set 7. Shoot 83. Ali 3 uyaphi ke?
Why mfake le intri?
Oh no, that's because
Before sikabule
kuba ngathi mayi wena uphendule singakakubuzi.
No, mara maye ngiyaphendula ngisho maye ngithi. Inhlakanipho gospel singers mina kahle it's a solid 7. Ask me why.
Why?
Yeah. Okay, number 1 kimopostola, yangizwana. I'm a postoli. So, ingoma zabo to me they are easily predictable. Yabo like mabangashaya like any random song. Like in 1 or 2 bars.
Ngayibamba.
Sengiphambili. You understand? And manje mina ngolo muntu lo othanda ukufunda izinto ezintsha, ngi understand njalo. I don't know if you get it. Yangizwana. But then yeah bro. Awukancane. Lo fana eganga lo. So yeah. It's a 7 for me, it's all because mina ngumuntu othanda ukumamela into entsha, it's all. Like an uprising voices. Yeah, sengikhuluma like angifuni ukuthi siye ngaphandle buzinga bo PSK yabo what. Ima kancane ngezinga. Uprising voices, that's why. Itshela ukuthi tanga mongathatha any song ya uprising angeke uyibambe like in a minute. Maybe ukuthatha maybe 3 to 4 days ukuthi uyibambe ingoma yakho. Those people are creative nje, I understand.
Fana
ne Infernus, that's why. Uyachuluka ku result tanga uma uthola ingoma ungayazi.
Let's finally call.
That's why uyachuluka ku result. You understand? So yeah, tanga inhlakanipho it's a solid 7. Lo 7 low is because Kiss Postola there. I love Postola, yeah, man. So, but then the other 3 is because Kiss Postola. I don't know if you get me. You understand? So yeah. Good Saints. Oh, creativity. Saints tanga
9 ngoba maye uyakhona umusi uzothi 9
yo eish maye sobanzima ke phela
kanjani
because maye nawe uthi ngizothi 9 but then bengeke ngithi 9
uthi 10
kahle maye senzini
asaphe ngisho like mara mfethu ubuya khona ubuya khona angazi
uyayithanda man so ngcono ngawuphendula lo mbuzo
uphendule
kefana ngizothi ngibias
no angeke sisho maybe the people can say mara mina angeke ngisho I'm not part of the bias system bro
okay the Saints gospel choir bheka lempela kanjani
kumele uthi phendula ummela ngisho
ejo okay
kumele kanjani ayikumele lazo ikuceleni
izandla ta okay kusays gospel choir bafethu it's a solid 10 it's a 10 out of 10 for me yangithola I would say it's because I'm biased. Reason being,
before
okay.
If 10,
yeah,
yakikwa ke uyikangaki.
Infernos, yo mfana.
Because angisho masithi yakikwa.
Yeah, Infernos.
Yeah.
Yo mfana. Yo 11 out of 10, dog.
Oh, should see it's just a slightly 1 point nje.
For Infernos,
the difference go Saints ne Infernos. Shoot kahle
le outsile
bayafana
le outsile
shoot la makhwela ayafana
awafanta
ayephe phela slightly tanga slightly
awafanta
difference
awafanta
yeah my difference mos nayo leyo one difference
yeah it difference very tang it difference it's all angisho sesikhuluma nge-creativity tanga
esikoleni ngoma angathola 10 mfana i1
tanga siseskela la man
uthole 10% i1 ukuthi uthole 11% angeke incede nga next mfana le one udinga mfana yo plus or minus mfana the next 35% at least
so kahle I reasoning yami manje ayibalekanga ne
I didn't say ukuthi ukuthi it's not valid.
Let's move on to the next question. Okay, check
yamuva kanjalo
check tang
allow you balekile allow balekile tu
ngibalekanga inkinga mayitanga wena maye like cabanga ukuthi ngibaya sorry njani na angibalekanga ngiyama ngiyabona ukuthi kahle la I reasoning yami izoba useless because kuyafana wena utsha
ngeke yizo okay tshela mina ke I reason
tanga kuyafana ta
yabona motsheni ungakhohlwa the brain capacities ne awalingana
yo kahle no Einstein wena
asinyasho
ngahlika
like no mina
Albert
don't call me smart yo asafaka kuya kumuntu odoba emhlabeni nje abantu bayazenza
uthi kahle
so yeah ayibalekile it's fine dog
ngibalekanga my dog okay check njami okay masingathi tanga ke ecoin bayakuxosha ne noma yipi nje ireason esifela nje bathi ba decide ukuxosha my dog you choose any choir like us ufuna ukuyiculela which choir would it be
ngibuyela ku Infernos
baqoshile ku Infernos dog abasakufuni ku Infernos asakufuni dog like sivalela nomnyango
bayakuxosha
which choir bo la Davidson
yabo ngisasho the brain capacity sekuxosha
uyabuya
wena uyabuya
hardcore kahle
yeah
okay njalo
ni Infernos tanga
okay yeah
okay njalo okay
but okay I say
exist Infernos okay I say exist I say emhlabeni sweet
ne sithi ne bangikoshile
outside
angicabangikoshile obviously ngizoba ne
okay then you decide to join another choir which choir would it be like Davidson
angeke amakhwaya okay ngaya ku Saints
Saints shout out to Saints why thank you Saints
njengoba ngishili i-grant angicula kamnandi ne.
Icula
Net
kamnandi.
when it comes to issue molding yabo.
Kahle
Due to
no.
creativity.
Oh no, une-flop nokumoya.
Yeah, ine-flop nokumoya.
Ufuna umoya.
Ufuna umoya, yeah. Ufuna ucula ngomoya.
Ngicula kanjalo.
Yeah.
Mara nginankinga nabo tanga bacula kamnandi. That's why ngithi ngajola.
Okay, tanga wena if tanga mangathiwa tanga
Ayikho kanti why?
ayisa exist tanga.
Ayikho.
La David.
Ayikho. Tshele angithembisa. Angacela ekhaya.
Asithini Thembisa tanga isekho tanga.
Ayisekho nithembisa.
Tanga you are forced
I'm forced
to join another choir.
or else what?
Angazi.
Yayibona ke manje.
Tanga or else tanga angazi. Tanga you'll suffer the consequences.
Ngavula umkhaya mfana.
Siyacabanga.
Chafem.
Sihamba. Two. Cha.
Ngiyinga. Chafem, ngiyakutshela. Igama ngalazi manje kuba Chafem.
Bafethu sivala kanjalo episode yethu. I hope nibukelile la so that lizohlangana isole into yakho. If ayibukela ngala bafethu iyara ku my channel Mr. Welcome CB. Ungene lapho it's a no filter chat. Yeah, siphethu siyabonga siphethu cha. And then on our next guest uzobona wena click kule video ngizoyifaka la manje ngasikudala.
Our next guest, next one.
Nah, don't spoil. Don't be a spoiler. Kusho wena.
Oh.
Yeah, kusho wena on our previous episode. So yeah, bafethu click that like, share and subscribe. Sibe mnandi. Danko, we out.